Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I'm back with some great scenarios for Saturday that you want to know about. Gonna save you tons of money, and we're gonna use glitches. And again, you want to know what they are. And of course, if you're not one of our crazy friends and you want to save some money, well, sit down and have a listen. Matter of fact, go ahead and subscribe, and that way you will never miss any deal, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. Yeah. So, guys, come on in. Thank you for stopping back by. We got to talk about lots of deals. There's so many deals. I just decided to do about 4 scenarios for this one video, and we're just going to talk about these scenarios real quick. Now, my first one that I've got is mostly food, because we've got a few pretty good food coupons, and like I said, kiddos are going back to school, so we're going to need some after school snacks and maybe some lunch makings. And of course, just because you're sending your kids to school with their own lunch does not mean it has to be cold, okay? These days they have really good thermos things out there, or hot containers, that you can send your kids food in, and it'll pretty much stay warm. So, to that end, let's see what we got. Now, we've got a new coupon for the Cheetos. And it's not the Cheetos chips. It's the Cheetos mac and cheese items. And they're like $1.35 a box. And 3 of those is $4.05. We got a dollar coupon coming off. So we're going to pick up 3 of those. Now, we also have maybe a double dip. I'm not quite sure yet how this is going to work, but even if it doesn't give you that awesome double dip that's going to make it a money maker, it's still going to be half off. So we're going to pick up this Angelo's frozen entree, and it is $4.50, $2 coming off, and we have a rebate offer for $4.29, and both are showing that they are attaching to the product. So we'll see how that works for you. If it works, then it's going to be an awesome deal. Now, we have several food coupons. Like, we got these Eggo coupons, and these Eggo things are on sale. So if you wanted to extend the deal, you know, you could do so, or make another food deal. Now, here's another one of those double dipping Dollar General things, the cash rebate. On the Pillsbury, they're also on sale 2 for $6. So we're going to pick up 2 Pillsbury. We got a dollar coupon and a dollar rebate. Next, we're going to pick up Rice-A-Roni. We're going to pick up 3 Rice-A-Ronis. That's $4.50. Got a dollar coupon coming off. And these things you can make and add some protein to them, whether it be chopped up chicken, hamburger, and throw them in the kids' little warming thermos, and they can have a really good hot meal at school. Because, I hate to say it, but our American school lunches suck. I mean, the portions are small, and the food, at least at my grandkids' school, is terrible. So, if you're going to send your kids to school with lunch, don't always have to be a sandwich, especially if you live in a cold area. Now, our next item on this is a double dipping deal also, but it's not food. And we're just going to do it because it's a good deal. Now, you've got $2 off on a Dove body wash, men or women, and they are $6 and $5, okay? And it's double dipping. We've got a $2 and a $1 store coupon, so $3 is going to come off, making it half price, or $3. Now, this total scenario is going to be $25.05 So you're super close. If you need to add something else, add something else. If you need big razors, throw some big razors in there. Or just get a piece of candy. But it's really close, so make sure you watch it closely. Now you got $13 in coupons. That's $12.05 out of pocket. That's a winner chicken dinner. Okay? We've got 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. That is a winner deal. Gets even better if your rebates do work. You're looking at $6.76 as your total out of pocket. Now, the next scenario I've got for you, we're going to pick up that $7.75 Shiba. We got this $4 coupon coming off, and this is going to be a fur baby deal. And just remember, even if you don't have a dog or a cat, now in this scenario, I mean, we're going to get some dog bones, so this is geared mostly towards dogs. But if your dog likes fish, all dogs I've ever seen likes cat food. Even though we're not supposed to give it to the dogs all the time because it's high in protein. I always, when my poor dog was alive, he loved a little cat food on occasion. So it's like a little treat on occasion. But we do have dog treats. We got a buy one, get one free, super good coupon for dog snacks. But we also got this $5 off on this Caesar dog food. And this is supposed to be a double dip also with the rebate. It's $8.40 for a 6-pack, $5 off. It's $3.40. And then a $5 rebate if it works. Again, a money maker. This is the buy one, get one free. Bones, the prime bones. These are $5.95. And they are on sale for $5.50. So you're going to be getting $5.50 off. And that total is $27.15. You got $19 in coupons coming off. That's $7.65 out of pocket, guys. I mean, that's like buying your Shiba cat food and getting everything else for free. But if you get your $5 rebate back, it's going to be $2.65. And man, is that not a chicken dinner right there. Now, this next one is a long one, but it is one of the best ones. We're going to start with the big razor, the $5.50 one, $4 off. Next, we're going to pick up this Febreze for $5. It's on sale. And then we're going to pick up this Oral-B free toothbrush, the Bright and Clean. Now we also are going to pick up this Dollar Believe Beauty nail polish, the $1.25 one. Next we're going to pick up Sparkle. I'm going to pick up, and it's on sale for $3.50, so $1 off. It's going to make it $2.50 for a 2-pack of Sparkle. That's a winner deal, guys. So we're going to pick that up as well. And then we're going to pick up that glitching air wick. So if you did not watch the air wick video with the glitching air wick, let me tell you how it's glitching. There is this coupon right here for $4. It is attaching to the $6.25 regular 2-count air wick refills. So scan, guys. It might be more than 1 cent. So $4 off there. And then we're going to do that Angelo's deal again. The frozen dinner right here with the $2 off. And hopefully the rebate. Now, what we're looking at is $26.80. You got $21 in coupons all by itself. So this deal is awesome for $5.80. But if you do get that rebate, it will be $1.57 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. And that is a Colonel Sanders deal, guys. So there is some awesome Saturday scenarios. I do want to remind you that we've got some awesome newspaper glitches, such as that $2 Snuggle that is working on the Snuggle fabric softener. So I'll be doing some other scenarios with paper coupons. We also have the buy one get one free in the Febreze paper coupon. So lots of things that we can choose from. And if you've not gotten your Olay $12 glitch paper coupon and used it yet, or if you did use it, there is another $5 one on your app. So blessings, we'll talk again, because we got more scenarios coming, guys. So make sure you check tomorrow the channel. Even if you don't get notified, check the channel. Like, please. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, so you don't miss anything, especially just hanging out with some really good folks. And make sure you read the comments, because they got some really good stuff to say. And speaking of comments, make sure you guys leave them and an emoji. I love you bunches for it. And we'll talk again real soon.